2006 Honda Odyssey. Turn the key, won't start. Turn the key, won't start at all. Park is in park. Check the gear shift. It's in park. When to get it to start, put your foot on the brake. Put it in neutral. It'll start right up. And that's how you get around it won't start. There's nothing wrong with the battery or the alternator or nothing. It's just the parking sensor on the car, on the transmission. It's electronic, so sometimes it senses that it's in park and sometimes it doesn't. So you put it in neutral and you start it and it'll start. This way you won't get stuck.